Hey everybody, I'm Kyle with Optimum Air Solutions, and today what we have going on is a condenser furnace, coil, and condenser changeout. Originally, the customer called us, had us check the system out. You can see from the pictures that we had, the unit had a lot of rust. It was in a vertical application. I typically don't like to do that on condensing furnaces just because of the fact if it overflows, the first thing you do is ruin your control board, motor, and everything like that. What we recommended, system change out. We're gonna go with a Daikin fit system with the condensing furnace, and we're gonna change the application to a horizontal application. What we had to do first was pump the system down, recover the refrigerant, disconnect our copper line sets, disconnect all our existing ductwork, and then we removed all the old equipment that we got right here. This is our old furnace. You could look, it was in pretty rough shape, rusted out pretty good. This is what we was dealing with. It overflowed multiple times due to improper duct size and improper static pressure. You could even look up here where the unit was constantly overflowing down to your heat exchanger and just rotting all this out, which that ain't good because then you end up with carbon monoxide coming into your home. If you look at the ductwork, it was always sweating and rotting out. That'll be a cause of that. We currently have everything removed, and we're about to get started going with the new system back into the horizontal application. Our next steps will be getting the new unit in place, getting the sheet metal plenums on, getting our duct connections, our collars and everything in place and sealed, start reconnecting the existing ductwork, fresh air unit, and then with this being a fit system, we got to run shielded cable where the old ones didn't have shielded cable at, so we got to run new communication lines with the line set and down to the thermostat for the system controller where we have to replace it. All right, so we got this as our thermostat. This is the hangers for the unit. Breathe easy and the big easy.